An evening with spirit is rather a unique event. The idea was given to me while I was meditating one day in Wells Cathedral. And the intention and the idea behind the evening is really to show you that actually you are psychic, you do have psychic abilities, and are indeed a spiritual being having an earthly experience. So why is this important? Well, what I looked at while I was meditating was the fact that we're indeed going through many changes in this world right now. A lot of the structures and things that we've relied upon throughout our lives are changing, they're falling away. And what else do we have? What do we have that we can kind of use to initiate our own internal power? Because that's really our own support structure. And that's what I feel we need to build upon as human beings right now. So the idea behind the evening is really to show you that you do have psychic abilities. I believe that we are all born with psychic abilities, and we're all born with psychic centres for sure. And for whatever reason through our life, sometimes we may lose connection to those centres, and we just use the ability to use them, or there's just no awareness of them at all. So what I'd like to do in the evening is to tune you in, to show you how you can use these centres very subtly and start to use your own intuition and your own psychic abilities to bring that into your own lives, into your daily lives, and to also start to begin to create awareness of the fact that you are a spiritual being having an earthly experience, and tuning you into that subtle etheric body, the spiritual body. And it's these structures, our own internal structures, that will provide us with a sense of stability, of peace, of self-love and security, rather than relying upon the external material world for those structures which are very much falling away right now. So during the evening, as we progress, I will be taking you through short meditations. To begin the evening, there will be a talk on living a spiritual life and mediumship and the spirit. And then I'll take you through a meditation and an interactive workshop where I will be asking a couple of people to come up and join me on the platform, on stage, and showing all of you that actually through the use of our psychic senses we can connect to another person, we can connect to ourselves. And then in their interactive workshop there'll also be a part of audience activity as well, so you'll all get to take part and have this experience. And after the workshop I'm going to deliver a short demonstration of mediumship for about half an hour. Now, a demonstration of mediumship is where I will bring through communications from loved ones, your loved ones who have passed on, and to bring evidence of life after death, and also to bring their messages through with love. And once that's finished, I'll be able to pass it over to you, the audience, to ask me questions on anything to do with the spirit, spirituality, or anything that we've covered in the evening. So it's something I've never done before. I don't know anyone else that's done an event like this. I think it's quite unique in that way. So it's a bit experimental. And one of the things that's really important is that we have fun and we enjoy the evening and what's taking place, because spirit always feel that's very, very important, to have fun, to live the vibrational frequency and to enjoy the evening. So if you'd like to join me, the event takes place at St Benedict's Church in Glastonbury on Tuesday the 8th of November. Now the doors will open at 6:45 and we will start at 7 p.m. and finish at 9. So it'd be lovely if you'd like to come along and support the event, and you can get tickets on my website. So I hope to see you there, and we'll have a lovely experimental evening together.